Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today I'm very excited to bring you Hot Pepper's Tabasco Phone, a funky named contender in the flip phone market. Let's take a look at it. Before we even begin, let's keep in mind that this is a flip phone and there are not very many competitors in this market. This device retails for $99.99 and you can find it currently at Metro by T-Mobile. So in the box, we get a quick start guide as well as terms and conditions, a Type A to Type C USB cable, as well as a 5-watt wall adapter. It's a little bit higher than that, but let's just round it off to 5 watts. We also get a silica gel packet. Of course, needless to say, you don't need this, throw it away. And last but not least, we also get the battery at the bottom of all this, because again, this is a flip phone with a removable battery. And then now here is the flip phone itself. It's a very, very average looking flip phone. It looks very similar to the Alcatel Go Flip 4. That this is meant to compete against. However, that this time around, this device is actually just a little more beefed up than the other flip phones that we have seen in the space. For example, however, this device is substantially more beefed up than other flip phones we have seen in this space, as we have 8 gigabytes of storage paired to 1 gigabyte of RAM, and we have an octa-core processor instead of a quad-core processor that we normally tend to get. Now, that octa-core processor is clocked in at 2.0 gigahertz, so that's pretty respectable. And let's go ahead and power this on. This officially makes it more capable than the Wiko Voix and the Galaxy A03s, which retail for more money. I believe the Wiko Voix retails for $149.99 and the Galaxy A03s retails for $179.99. So definitely much more expensive devices. Let's go ahead and get that peel. Pick our language. Now it's funny because on the website, this thing mentions that we have 2 cameras. We have a 2 megapixel selfie lens as well as a 5 megapixel main lens. But as I'm looking at this thing, I don't see more than one lens. I literally just see one lens, which is back here, and that's it. I don't see any other lenses or cameras to be heard or seen. We do have a 2000 milliamp hour removable battery. We do have dual band Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 4.2, fingerprint sensor apparently, but I am not sure where that fingerprint sensor is. I'm gonna have to look a little bit closer. On the bright side, we do have Type C charging, but no NFC, no wireless charging, and no sort of FM radio. Now again, that's odd. Again, on the website I mentioned fingerprint scanner and dual cameras. That has to be a typo because again, there are no dual cameras to be had or to be seen anywhere on this device. And again, there is some sort of fingerprint scanner, which it's kind of odd, but you're not gonna have that on a flip phone. Well, however, let's go ahead and fire up our camera. So then, that was a selfie on the Hot Pepper Tabasco phone. And then let's go ahead and try to record some video. So then, this is what a video looks and sounds like on the Tabasco phone. You guys be the judge of how good or how bad this camera quality is, as again, I don't expect the world out of it, but the fact that it can do it at all impresses me. Let's go ahead and see what else this thing has. Tools, applications, to see what app. Email, file manager, notes, settings. So the good thing with this, and I'm not going to go ahead and test any more of its capabilities, as we do have FM radio. So I was mistaken. We do have FM radio. I think it can be forgiven since all the specs weren't completely up to date on the website, and I'm glad that I unboxed and I got to, get to take a deeper look into this device, and we can see that Here is our selfie picture that we took earlier today. So I guess we have to go to a video folder to be able to watch the videos. Okay. The Tabasco phone. You guys be the judge of how good or how bad this camera quality is. As again, I don't expect the world out of it, but the fact that. Okay, well, that was a video. So again, I'm not going to go ahead and test its capabilities anymore, as with a much lesser phone with the Tabasco Flip Phone, which had half of the cores in the processor, half the storage, half the RAM, half the capabilities. It was able to go online. It was able to browse YouTube. It was able to go on Google Maps. They are more than capable phones. I guess that this one's just a little bit more beefed up, just so it can compete in the market and it can justify its higher price mark. Now, I didn't give you a quick tour of the phone. Let's go ahead and look on the left side of the device. We have a headphone jack as well as a Type-C port. On the top of the device, not much to be had. On the right side of the device, we do have the volume up, volume down keys. And on the very bottom, we have a pinhole microphone, as well as another pinhole microphone when you open it on the inside. Go to the comments. What are your thoughts on this device? I mean, it's a flip phone. It's a very basic flip phone. I think it does well. I think it does very well, especially for its $99 price tag, considering that, again, it's more than twice as capable as the previous iteration of flip phones that we have, with, again, twice the storage, twice the RAM, twice the processor, updated Bluetooth, FM radio this time around. Again, no NFC, no wireless charging, but it's a flip phone. As always, thanks for watching.